this exploration is good for energizing, but also for releasing. It's a really good, like pressing the refresh button exercise, and you can do it at any moment of the day, morning, afternoon, evening, before going to bed. So the invitation is to bend the knees, take a few breaths. You can close your eyes so you can connect to yourself, and start to lightly bounce at the knees. It's like this slight vibration. And allow that vibration to start rippling through the body, bringing your awareness to your feet, allowing them to make contact, releasing the tension, increasing the vibration. As you can see, I'm also allowing the head to bob, my jaw to relax, tongue. And then you can let it really ripple through. Going and releasing the shoulders, the hips. Breathing, deep breaths, shaking the hands, even shaking the face slightly. And you can allow your attention to go and travel through your body and see if you can shake different body parts that are a little bit more challenging to get to. Maybe your sacrum, maybe behind your knees and between your toes. You can lift up your feet. You can move even your hands around. Thighs, really letting it move, and then bring your voice. Just a natural sound, however it wants to come out. And you can do this for as long as it feels good. And then gently come back. I invite you to allow the shake to come to stillness organically. Really let that rhythm be there as you intentionally slow down. Keeping the knees slightly bent, connecting with yourself as you come to stillness. Taking a few breaths before you transition.